Hi guys, this is short tutorial for my PEC industrial lights and switches. In this tutorial I will show you how to connect switches to the lights in your levels. For example, this little switch to this rotating alarm light. Now we are on unlit mode. If we change it to lit, there is no light sources. There is only a small emissive light, but it's almost completely dark. Now this process is pretty simple. Just open your level blueprints, that is in blueprints, open level blueprint and right click and type action use. This will be our use key, and select our switch and make reference to it, and from input action use drag a branch, and from our little switch type trigger, boolean trigger, and connect that to branch. Now select our rotating light, make reference to it, and we want to activate this light. We can control it directly from the blueprint with this activation alarm checkbox, but we want to do it with this little switch. So we need to activate the alarm. From our reference type activate alarm and set activate the alarm. We want to set it to be true, and set it and connect that to be true. Now this basically what is doing is when we hit input action key in proximity of the switch, it will activate the light, hopefully. Let's test it. And yeah, it's working, but we cannot toggle it on and off. To do that, again open your level blueprint, and it's a simple process. Just copy activate alarm and set it to be deactivated, and connect target to reference, and from true we want to be flip-flop type flip-flop, and A to connect to activate alarm and B not to be activated. Now if we hit play and hit our switch, we have a rotating light and alarm. If we hit it again, it's deactivated, activated, deactivated. Yeah, it's a simple process. Now let's show something else. If we take this big switch, for example, let's put it there, rotate it, and yeah, it will be do. And select, for example, this light, this little wall light, and put it here. And first thing what we need to do is to deactivate the light, set it to be off, and maybe change the brightness. And we need to copy it 2 times. And maybe just a little. Yeah, perfect. Now this switch, this big switch, we want to control the light number 1, number 2 and number 3 to be activated in the sequence. To do that, select our big switch, open level blueprint and move that, and maybe make a comment. Alarm light. make a reference to big switch and just copy input action use and copy branch. We needed that too. Hit pressed, and from switch big type switch, and we want to get the state of this switch. And select our light number 1, make reference to it, and type on off and set on and off. We want to set it to be true, and delay, we want some kind of delay between switch number 1 and number 2. Type just delay, set it to be 1 second maybe, and select our switch number 2 and create reference. Again, from reference type on off and set, and we want to connect this to delay. Again, copy delay and connect it to set, and select our final light, make reference, and type on off and set on and off, connect delay completed to this set and change it to be true. It compile, and now basically it's when we use this switch big, the first light will turn on, second later the second light, and again second later the third and final light, and that will be our sequence lights. Now if we went to our switch big, turn it on, it's working perfect. Now we have our switches, and again it's working too. Let's play it again, the big screen, find our big switch, 1, 2, 3, hit our little switch, and we have a rotating lights. Of course you can destroy the lights. And yeah guys, this was my short tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed and that you will find useful in your project. Thank you and see you later.